Have you ever wondered why some flowers, instead of being a solid red or white, turn out to be pink? Welcome to the fascinating world of genetics, where things are not always as simple as they may seem. Genetics is a field of biology that studies how traits are passed from parents to their offspring. Most of us are familiar with the concept of dominance, where one trait completely overshadows the other. For example, in humans, brown eyes are dominant over blue eyes. However, not all traits follow this pattern. Some traits show a phenomenon called incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is a genetic phenomenon where an individual inherits a blend of physical traits from their parents. It's like mixing paint. If you mix red and white paint, you don't get a color that's either red or white. Instead, you get a new color, pink. Imagine that each color of paint represents a different version of a gene, known as an allele. In this case, we have a red flower, allele, which we'll call R1, and a white flower, allele, which we'll call R2. When a flower inherits the R1 allele from one parent and the R2 allele from the other, neither allele is dominant. Therefore, neither the red nor the white trait can fully express itself. Instead, the two traits blend together, and we end up with a pink flower. Now, if a pink flower breeds with another pink flower, the offspring can be red, pink, or white. This is because the pink flower carries both the R1 and R2 alleles and can pass either of them on to its offspring. It's important to note that incomplete dominance is not the same as codominance, another genetic phenomenon. In codominance, both alleles express themselves fully, resulting in a spotted or striped pattern instead of a blend. In conclusion, incomplete dominance adds an interesting twist to the genetic landscape. It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises and doesn't always follow the rules we set for it. Instead of a simple dominant recessive pattern, some traits blend together, creating a spectrum of possibilities. So, the next time you see a pink flower, remember that it's not just a pretty sight. It's a living testament to the wonder and complexity of genetics. Incomplete dominance, indeed, paints a more colorful and nuanced picture of how traits are passed from one generation to the next.